Yes, students, now next our chapter is division. So, what is a division? What division means? So, multiplication we discuss what is a multiplication and what is a subtraction and what is addition. So, about these three we did and we learn how to add, how to subtract and how to multiply. Now, in this chapter we are going to discuss about what is a division. So, what is a division means? Division means divide. Divide means distribute. So, division means divide. Divide means distribute. So, we have to distribute the given items, things or articles, whatever we can say. Here, in your textbook, see in your textbooks, mother and the daughter. So, mother and daughter is there. So, daughter she is asking. So, she is asking to her mother. So, what she is asking? She is asking that how to divide 12 chocolates to his friends. So, then how many friends she is having? We don't know. First 12 chocolates. How many chocolates she is having? 12 chocolates. She want to give 12 chocolates. How many chocolates? 12 chocolates. 12 chocolates she want to give, she want to distribute to her friends. She is asking to her mother, then how to distribute if she is having 12 chocolates. So, first of all, so we should know how many friends she is having. 2 friends, 3 friends, 4 friends, 5 friends, 6 friends, whatever. So, number of friends. So, if she is having 2 friends, then how to distribute. So, if she is having 3 friends, then how to distribute. If she is having 4 friends, then how to give. How to give 4 chocolates. That in this chapter we are going to discuss about that, how to give, how to divide, how to distribute given chocolates. Given chocolates are given items, are given articles, are given things. How to divide, how to distribute, how to divide. So, these we are going to learn in this topic. The divide means distribute, division means divide, divide means distribute. So, what are the terms are there in this division and how to distribute and what is actually division means, all these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Which chapter? Division. In division chapter what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss how to learn, how to divide. Divide means distribute. So, what is actually distribute means? So, multiplication, what is the multiplication? Multiplication is a continuous addition means, so if addition is there, plus and plus and plus same numbers we are adding thrice, 4 times, 5 times. So, then so what we applied there? Multiplication. So, here what is a division? So, that we are going to discuss, in warm up time. He has given in your textbook, mother and daughter is there. Daughter she is asking to her mother, so she is having 12 chocolates. Who? Daughter. Daughter is having 12 chocolates and she is asking to her mother, so how to give 12 chocolates to equally. How? Equally. She want to give equally. Equally of her friends. Means how to distribute. She is asking how to distribute if she is having. Means it depends on number of friends. So, how many friends she is having? Either she is having 2 friends, 3 friends, 4 friends, 5, 6, whatever. So, evenly she want to distribute. What is the method? What is the method? She has to follow. She has to follow. If you know the division, then easily you should know how to distribute. How to distribute equally among your friends, among her friends. Okay. So, division means equally distribute. Equally distribute, distribution. So, division means distribution, division means distribution, divide, whenever divide will come, that means distribution. So, we have to distribute equally, we have to distribute equally. So, this is the definition for our division. Okay, okay students. So, now whatever her daughter is asking, so how to divide. So, in this chapter we are going to learn how to give, how to distribute, equally among her friends. Okay. Yes, now students see here. Now in learning time, so what we are going to learn? So in learning time, see here, division as distribution. So what is a division? just before we discuss what is a division. What is a division means? Division means divide. Divide means distribution. So here distribution. So how to distribute? How the distribution? So we have to distribute equally. So how? Equally. Equally we have to divide. Equally we have to distribute. Division means distribution. So here division as a distribution we are going to learn. Actually what? How to distribute. Here see here in your textbook 3 monkeys given. How many monkeys are there? 3 monkeys. Here we are taking this as first monkey, second monkey, third monkey. So total 12 bananas were there. How many bananas? 12 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how many bananas were there? 12 bananas were there. These 12 bananas we have to distribute equally, equal to these 3 monkeys. These 3 monkeys. Then how to distribute? First, see here, how to distribute these 12 bananas. So first we have to give first banana to first monkey. First banana. So this first banana, so we have to give to this first monkey. Second banana, this is second banana, so we have to give to this second monkey. Then third banana, so we have to give this third banana to third monkey. Okay, 3 bananas over. So 3 bananas over. It means in total 12 bananas, 3 bananas we gave. Already we distributed. How many bananas we distributed? 3 bananas we distributed. After distributing 3 bananas, then how many bananas left? 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, then how many bananas were left? 9 bananas left. How many bananas left? 9 bananas left. Okay, 12 minus 3 is 9. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananas left. Okay, after giving one banana to each monkey, then how many bananas left? 9 bananas left. Then after that, in the second, again we have to give one banana to each. Means first monkey, second monkey and third monkey. That means fourth banana. Fourth banana, so we have to give to this first monkey. Fifth banana. This banana we have to give to this second monkey. And sixth banana, so we have to give to this third monkey. Okay, 2 bananas. How many bananas we gave? Equally 2 bananas to each monkey. Then in the second place, total how many bananas were there? 9. After giving 3 bananas, 9 bananas were left. In that 9 bananas, again how many bananas we gave? 3 bananas we gave. It means minus. So we have to minus it. Means, so we gave already. So we have to subtract. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. How many bananas left here? 6 bananas left. After giving 3 bananas again. See here. How many bananas left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas left. Now, in the second place, how many bananas each monkey they got? 2 bananas. 2 bananas. Then after that, again you have to give one banana to each monkey. So then, 7th banana, this first monkey, 8th banana, this second monkey, 9th banana to this third monkey. Okay. In next, in total, how many left in third place? 6 bananas left. In that again 3 bananas we gave. Then how many bananas were left? 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 3, it is 3. Then after that, in the remaining 3 bananas, again we have to give one banana to each. Okay. So this 10th banana to this first monkey, 11th banana to this second monkey, and 12th banana to this third monkey. Then how many bananas were there here? 3. Then 3 bananas we gave. 3 minus 3, 0 bananas left. No banana is left after that. No banana is left. All bananas we gave. So how we distributed? Equally. Then how many bananas each monkey got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bananas? 4 bananas. So each monkey got 4 bananas. 4 bananas. Equal bananas they got. Okay, how? So in this way we have to divide. In this way we have to distribute. In this way we have to distribute equally. Here, what is a distribution? What is meant by distribution? What is meant by division? What is meant by division? So what is the definition of a division? Division means repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Here see, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So repeatedly we are doing minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. It means repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is a division. Repeated subtraction is a divide. Repeated subtraction is a distribution. Distribution, divide and division, whatever it is. The thing is same, means we have to distribute. How to distribute? Equally we have to distribute. And what is actually distribution? Distribution means it is a repeated subtraction. It is a repeated subtraction. Repeated addition is what? Repeated addition is multiplication. There we learn. So what is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. And division means repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is a division and repeated addition is a multiplication. Okay, these two things you have to remember, you should keep in your mind. Repeatedly we are doing minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Okay, so this is the division. This is the division. Here, what here we are dividing? Here we are dividing 12 bananas. 12 bananas, number of bananas we are distributing. So this 12 is called dividend. This 12 is called dividend. What it is called? 12 is a dividend. So to whom we gave? These 3 monkeys. These 3 monkeys. So these 3 monkeys, this is called divisor. This is called divisor. Here 3 is a divisor. Total 3 monkeys we have. So that is why, see, this is the divisor. This total, how many bananas were there? 12. This 12 bananas dividend. And how many bananas each monkey got? 4 bananas. So this is the quotient. 4 is the quotient. 4 is the quotient. Then after giving, means after distributing equally, how many bananas left here? Nothing is left. Nothing is left. So the remainder is 0. So the remainder is 0. So divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. So this is the dividend and this is the number of monkeys, divisor, and the quotient, how many bananas each monkey got. So 4 bananas. So this is a quotient. Remainder, no bananas left. So remainder is 0. Okay. So everything we discuss. What is a division? Division means a distribution. So if distribution is there, what is the division means? Means definition of a division. So it is a repeated subtraction. So then after that, what is a dividend and what is a divisor and what is a quotient and what is the remainder. These 4 terms also we discussed. Okay. See now students, here division as forming groups. Groups means how many groups we can form. So we can form. So this we have to learn. So in this here, 12 divided by this 12 divided by, how to read? 12 divided by 4. It means how many 4s are there in 12? In 12 total, how many 4s are there? How many 4s? So first 4, no? So this is how many 4s are there? 4s, first we have to take here 12. 12 are there, no? So we have to make 4, 4, 4, 4. How many 4s are there? How many 4 groups are there? So okay. First you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? First you take first, second means 1 1. How many we have to take? 4. Means if you want to take circle, triangle, whatever it is, for your convenient. Here I want to take circles. 4 circles I want to take. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one group. This is one group. Total 12 is there. In this 12, how many I took? 4. It means 12 minus 4. So then how many left? 8. 8 left. Then after that again I want to take 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 circles. This is a second group. So then in this second group, again from this 8, again I took 4 circles. Then how many circles left here? 4. Then again, so 4 circles I want to take in the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 circles. It means how many circles here left? 4. 4 minus, we take 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 left. So here 1 4, here 1 4, here 1 4. Total how many groups we form? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups we form. 3 groups we form. This is a first group, this is a second group, this is a third group. Okay. So total how many 4s we form here? 3 4s. 3 4s. 3 4s. 4s group we form in 12. In 12, total in 12 circles, total how many groups we form? 3 4 groups. 4s groups we form. Total 3 4s groups we form. Here first total 12, in 12 minus 4 we have to get 8. So 8 minus 4 again, so we got here 4. Again 4 minus 4 0. Here this 12 total how many are there? So that is nothing but that is the dividend, that is called dividend. It is called dividend. So these 4 groups, how many are there in the group? How many are there in the group? That is the divisor. That is the divisor. 4 is the divisor. Okay. Then after that, how many groups we form here? 1, 2, 3. This is first group, this is second group, this is third group. Total 3 groups. 3 is a coefficient. 3 is a coefficient. 3 is a coefficient. And after forming these 3 groups, how many are left? Nothing is left. Here 0 in the third group, 0 is there. So that means the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. 0 is the remainder. 0 is the remainder. Okay. So like this, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Dividend means total. Total how many are given? So that is the dividend. Divisor means how many are there in each group. How many we form in each group. So that is the divisor. Then how many groups we are forming? That is the quotient. Then after that how many left in the last? Subtraction. So that is the quotient. That is the quotient. Here, see here, 12 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4 minus 4. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 is there. So it means division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Division means repeated subtraction. The same number we have to minus repeatedly. So that is the repeated subtraction. Okay. Here 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3. Total how many? 15 are there. Means so we have to form 3 3 in each group. 3 3 in each group. Here I took here circles. Next here I want to take triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles in first group. This is first group. Total how many are there? 15. In 15 I took 3. 15 minus 3. Then how many left? 12. In the next I want to make one more group. 3 3 group. 3. Then out of this 12, so again I took 3 means 12 minus 3, that is 9, that is 9. Then after that again I want to prepare one more group. So 3 triangles group, 1, 2, 3. Then total how many left? 9. In that again I took 3 triangles, then 6 left. Again from this 6 I want to make a group, one more group, 3 triangles group. So here it is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is again 3. Again in the last I want to make one more group, 3 group. So how many left here? 3. In that again I took 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Is 0. Then how many groups we form here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. How many groups? 5 groups. So this 15, this total number of triangles or whatever. So 15 is total. So that is the dividend. 15 is the dividend. 15 is the dividend. And this 3. So what is this 3? So whatever there in each group, how many articles, how many things, how many items, whatever is there in that group, that is the divisor. 3 is the divisor. 3 is the divisor. And number of groups, how many groups you formed? So that comes under your quotient. How many groups? First group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. Total 5 groups. Total how many groups there? 5 groups. That 5 is your quotient. And at last what is left? That is your remainder. So 0 is there. 0 is the remainder. 0 is the remainder. Okay. So in this way we have to say what is the dividend and what is the divisor and what is the quotient and what is the remainder. Okay. 15 minus 3, 12 minus 4 is given, then how many groups are formed? So then he asked like this, no? So nothing is given means no articles, no things were given. So just you take by your own circles or a triangle, and so it is easy to draw that type of things, that type of diagrams you have to take, and you have to make a group, then you check how many groups we formed here. So that is nothing but our quotient, that many groups we form. Okay. So this is the way, in this way you have to do your problem. Okay.